Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I'm giving you guys something a little bit more creative on my channel, and that is this sunset look, but like a take me back to paradise. It just reminds me of being somewhere tropical and somewhere just away from reality, pretty much. And if I sound a little congested or anything weird, it's because I'm getting over a sickness. I cough every like 2 seconds. And yeah, I'm just like tired of being sick, so I'm just like, I'm gonna film anyways. At first, I didn't really like this look, but now it's grown on me and I kind of like it now that I ended up changing shirts and putting my hair up and doing stuff. So sometimes it's just everything else than the actual look. But now that I'm put together in something that I like, I am giving you guys this look on how to do this. And yeah, I almost scrapped this whole entire thing, but I kept to it and now you guys can see it. So if you guys want to know how to get this eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use is the Kylie bronze palette, and the color will be Citron. It is a orange yellow color. I'm going to put this in my crease as a transition color and pretty much start out my look. And I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Blending Brush. This is in 16. And don't mind my eyebrows. I'm kind of like growing them out to make sure I can get them better shaped. Naturally, I need a pluck right here, but we all go through that stage when we're growing out our eyebrows, so ignore it. I'm really packing this color on so it's very like vibrant and really kind of stands out, because I'm going to put pink on top of it, but I don't want it to disappear. Okay, now I'm going to do it to the other side. And then now on top of the orange yellow shade, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place, the Magic by Juvia's palette, and I'm using Kogi, and it's just kind of like a pinky orange color, or like a coral. It's a good coral shade. Can't ever think of colors. I really suck at that part, but you'll see. I'm just kind of layering this on top just so it can transition from the orange and then a pink very well. And I'm lightly putting this on. I'm using a CC4 Pro blending brush, and this is by Crown Brushes, I believe. I'm going in with the other side. And I'm really kind of focusing this in the crease, nothing really more than that. Then with the same brush, I'm going in with my Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going in with Love Letter. And I'm really focusing this to the crease, not blending it out, but really in the crease just to make a dark crease. And to really make a crease defined, I'm using just this small, really defined brush. And going in with Love Letter again and kind of shaping out my eye. And then blending it out with my Pro blending brush. I kind of want that to be a little bit higher since I'm going to be doing a cut crease. And then with my Masquerade Mini palette by the Juvia's Place, I'm going in with Zobo, and it's just kind of like a purpley pink color. like magenta. And I'm gonna put this in my outer V. There's like a dark little shadow. And to make it a little bit more purple, I am going in with the Nikki Tutorials collab with Too Faced and going in with Wham Bam and making it a little bit more purple on the outer V. And then I like to clean it up just to look better, and I'm just going in with a little brush like this and just going in with my Tarte Park Avenue Princess contour palette and shaping it up down here like a V. And I'm just going in with Halo and Enchanted, just shaping up like a V. And then I'm going to do a cut crease, going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, grabbing some of my concealer and using the Line and Define brush by Beauty Strokes and creating a cut crease. Okay, so now that both my eyes have a cut crease in them, I'm going to set them in place just with the Park Avenue Princess and use Halo and Enchant like I've been using and set them in place. So it stopped recording, but pretty much all that you guys missed was I put the orange yellow shade in right where I did the cut crease, and then I just went in and blended with the Nikki's Tutorials Wham Bam and just did it right here and cleaned up a little bit. So that's kind of what you meant. It wasn't really much, but now I'm just going to go in on the bottom shade and going in with the Magic by Juevas. And I am just doing Kogi and putting that on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. And then going in with Zobo from the Masquerade Mini Palette and putting this on my lower lash line on the outer V to darken it up a little bit. And blend it out. Cleaning it up again how I have been cleaning everything up. So I'm going in with the pure glitter thing that I got at Gen Beauty. My camera died, that's why it's already on my face. And I am just putting it where I put the orange yellow shade, kind of, and then blending it out. This is not working. This whole thing is going horrible. So, I don't even know. I feel like maybe when I put my lashes on at this point, I feel like this is not working either. But what I'm going to do is just put the pure glitter that I got from the Ipsy Gen Beauty and put it on this and then cover up again with the orange yellow shade in the Kylie's palette. So I'm going to stop touching it because I'm just getting annoyed and just put on my lashes and eyeliner. So I'm going to curl my lashes like normal. I'm using Worth the Hype mascara by NYX. I'm makes it look a lot better just having mascara on it. I'm hot. I don't feel good. So let's hopefully you guys enjoy this makeup look, because honestly, I don't know. I had mixed feelings on it. I think it all started with my hair today. Like, I did it and it just didn't turn out like I wanted it to. So one thing goes wrong, everything goes wrong, right? And I just used the Pixie eyeliner. It's like a pencil eyeliner for my inner waterline. Words. So what I want to try is these Ardell Wispies, but they're magnets. So why this is, my camera is just not wanting to focus today. And it won't stay still. Oh my lord, I'm gonna just focus. Focus. Okay. So I'm using the Ardell magnet lashes. I really wanted to try these. So these are the upper. How do you do this? Set them. This is like really hard to do. So after a long time, I got one pair on, and my camera's just not focusing today. I'm sorry, it's kind of pissing me off, but it's not focusing for the life of me. No matter what happens, like, I don't know what to do. It just won't focus. There, might be. But these are impossible to get on. These are supposed to be so much easier, and I'm just like, I literally can't. Like, I don't know why these were supposed to be a lot easier, but they're not. They're just like too much. Yeah, I don't know. But that's me trying to try the magnetic lashes. I don't know if it's because I'm having a bad day that they're not working, but I'm gonna put on real lashes and then I'll be right back. So before I put on lashes with my tattoo liner by Kat Von D, there's something on my face. I am just putting eyeliner on top, liquid liner, just a thin line. I normally do this before I put on lashes or mascara, but I forgot. I didn't forget, I didn't want to until now. But now I'm gonna go put on lashes. So now that my lashes are on, and I changed my shirt, it was just like messing up the whole look. I don't know why, it was just making me mad. I'm going in with a MAC Cosmetics lipstick, and this is in Yash, Y-A-S-H, and it's just a normal lipstick. And this is the final look for this sunset, like, paradise look. I'm not like a big fan of it. I don't hate it though, but it's okay. It's not what I envisioned, but it came out alright. But I think I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think down below of this look. Definitely not one of the best ones, but I wanted to be a little bit more creative on this channel. I have a palette coming in that I will, the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, just so I can add more color to my channel. But other than that, let me know what you guys think down below this look and what else you guys would like to see. down below, and I think that it is it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and sometimes Saturdays as well. And I have to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?